Today I'm going to show you how to plant bare root strawberries, and then we also have some we're going to be transplanting. So bare roots is the cheapest way to go. Let's go ahead and open. When you open bare root strawberries, you're going to get a bag of dirt, which has roots and some greening tops. When you first start, it's going to look like a mess. Let's go ahead and get this out. You can see all these in here. There's supposed to be 15. We'll get these situated and we'll go ahead and show you how to rehydrate them. This is what the bare root strawberries look like, and we will show you how to rehydrate these and get all these situated. A second set here too. We're going to go ahead and set all 30 of these down in the water, and we're going to keep these separate because they are two different types of strawberries. We'll let these all rehydrate for about 15 to 45 minutes, and then we will get these and separate. Each of these bare roots usually are bound together with a rubber band. Go ahead and take that off, and then once you get them out, you'll see remnants of some old leaves, and then you will have a crown right here. This crown is where you want to fill the dirt to, basically right where the roots stop on the crown, and that way nothing rots and you will get a healthy plant. We want our hole to be about the length of the roots, so we're going to go ahead and start digging our first hole. We're going to spread these roots out a little bit. And I'm going to start backfilling that a little bit. Like I said before, you don't want to get above the crown. Spacing you generally want between 8 and 15 inches. I'm probably going to do about 8. I have a lot of plants. Go ahead and spread these roots out in the hole. You don't have to have them go straight down. That way you get a nice root base. And go ahead and backfill. The same steps apply when planting already established strawberry plants. You want to plant them up to the crown, and you want to make sure your hole is deep enough for these roots to get established. So we're just gonna get that hole started here, and we're going to start to backfill. Now that we have all of these plants in, we have a little extra room to add more later, but we're gonna add some organic adamants to the soil to make it a little more acidic, which is strawberries like slightly acidic soil. So we don't want it too much. We're just gonna put a little just to bring that pH down just a little, and then we're gonna go ahead and water this in. I will leave links to bare root strawberries in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.